What's going on everybody, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a crunchy and delicious coleslaw. To get this started, here I have 1/4 of a white cabbage, and this weighs 350 grams. I'm going to separate it about halfway, and we're going to thinly slice this. And do the same with the other half. I'm then going to transfer this to a bowl. Then here I have 250 grams of red cabbage, and we're just going to do the same thing. We're then going to transfer this to the bowl. Then here I have 15 grams of flat leaf parsley, and we're just going to finely chop this up. Then we're going to add this to the bowl with the cabbage. Then here I have half a Spanish onion. We're just going to take the root end off and the opposite end, and then going to thinly slice it on a half moon. Going to add that to the bowl. Then with 4 spring onions, I'm just going to cut the root end off. Peel off any of the dry skin. Then I'm just going to cut the rough top bits off. Then I'm just going to come through and finely slice this up. Then going to add that to the bowl with the rest of our ingredients. And then to finish the salad preparation, here I have 40 grams of macadamia nuts. Just going to roughly chop these. And add that for our salad mix. Then to make our salad dressing, in a separate small bowl I'm going to add 2/3 of a cup of plain Greek yogurt, the juice of 1 lemon, which is about 60 milliliters, 1/3 of a cup of macadamia oil, and if you can't get hold of macadamia oil, just substitute for extra virgin olive oil. And I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of honey, and a few cracks of black pepper. Then with a whisk or a spoon, we're just going to mix this around. Give it a taste test, check it for seasoning. And then we're going to add our dressing to our coleslaw mix. Then with clean hands or a spoon, we're just going to mix all of this together. And then going to transfer it to a serving dish. And now we have our crunchy, fresh and delicious coleslaw. And this will last up to 5 days in your fridge. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I was able to teach you something. If you haven't done so already, smash that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to like, share and comment. And if there's any recipes that you'd like to see me make, please leave them in the comment section down below and I'll be sure to make them. I hope you all have a fantastic day. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.